So this is my YSL roundup. If you are new here, my name is Soma and I'm a makeup artist and a YSL lover. Love to collect YSL lipsticks. It's my all-time favorite. So whenever I get a chance, I just collect it. And especially when it's a special occasion, I pick them up to treat myself. This one is actually my Mother's Day's gift. Along with that, I'm going to show you the rest four because now it's even. The Rouge Would Up Their Shine and Rouge Pure Couture. So if you are planning to add couple of more YSL lipsticks to your collection, these are my picks and I just love the shades, of course. So yeah, let's just jump into it. I'll just quickly give it a shout out to this one, this shade, which has been my all-time favorite. I was wearing it on my last Friday's video. So if you haven't checked that already, now is the time to check the video. This color is really stunning. This is my YSL shade number 19. And there you go, the swatch. A bright purple fuchsia. Never found anything like that before. This is a staple in my collection. Every time I just love to put this on and I feel super bright. Creamy, one swipe full color, opaque, and if you want something pure color saturation, check out these lipsticks. Actually, it's completely gone, but I still love to wear it, use it with my lip brush because I love the color. So that's exactly I'm going to do. Using my spatula and bringing the color out of the tube. It's still working for me and it's really beautiful. That's the color. And it is actually very creamy, very buttery. I still love to wear it. I love to wear it on my cheek. I love to wear it on my lips. And that's how I make use of it. I think I'm just going to go for this shade as long as it is lasting in this tube. And this is my shade 19. Both are shade 19s. One is from Will Up Their Shine and the other one is from Pure Couture. The difference, it is going to give you a light to medium coverage on your lips and this is going to give you a medium to high coverage. I love to use it as my full-on lipstick, but sometimes I just love to go for a very tinted kind of look with this one. These are like the pilots of the batch. Now, the recent ones. A perfect spring and summer color. Shade 30. Goes pretty smoothly even on my lips. My lips are a little bit pigmented, but still I find this shade pretty beautiful and it just gives that beautiful, spring coral look on my lips. And the best part is that mango butter smell. I just love the scent and the way it makes my lips feel. Oh my god, super buttery, super glossy and super plumped up. Healthy shine with YSL lipstick. I just love them so much. Okay, so along with that, I got a gift when I ordered for this one plus my favorite perfume, Black Opium. There is a video on that too. So I'll just link those videos down below for you to check out. So this one is shade number 1 and a beautiful red. I call it my summer red because it is that bright popping color. Feels like a beautiful poppy red. And when I put this on, I think it just makes my whole look feel so bright. Even if I'm not wearing any makeup, I can go for this lipstick because it does not wash me out. It just makes me feel super bright and gorgeous. It's a stunning color. I love this shade from red. Every shade is beautiful, but the reds that I have collected over the period of time, this is my star red. I just love it. Now, today in the package, I got 2 lipsticks and those are my Mother's Day gift. It's a self-treat for being a nice mom. So the color is this one. All the shades are marked down. These 2 I'm talking about. Rest I paid full price of, but this one was marked down and it is a fall color. But I love to wear my plums throughout the year because it just makes me feel so gorgeous That's what I'm wearing on my lips. And I think this shade is going to work for me throughout the year. Every time I get a chance, when I see that the sale is going on. Also, my friend, she has a channel, Simply D Beauty, and I will link her channel down below because she is also a Visel lover. And on her channel, she just spread the news that yeah, the sale is going on. Pick up the lipsticks if you want. And I was the one to just go for it because it was Mother's Day weekend, and I thought, why not just celebrate Mother's Day with Visel lipstick? So that's the shade, and it is pretty gorgeous. As you can see, full color, one swipe, and I just love this color on me. Yeah, fall is far away, but still I'm going to wear it. We are anyways going to celebrate fall when it comes to September, October. So don't mind to add all the shades that are marked down, and that way I can keep building on my Visel lipstick collection because anytime I can go for these. Another shade that I picked up, that's also plummy shade, and it just meshes with my lips. I was wearing it and I will post my picture on Instagram. You will take a look at it and let me know how you feel about that. And for that, you need to follow me on Instagram. Find me, somaroy.chaudhary at Instagram. There you will see the pictures of these two shades. This is very close to my lip color. I have got that mauvey twist to my lips, and I just love to put this on. I think this is going to be my new lip balm, and these lip balms are really super luxurious and very gorgeous on lips, and I just feel that I cannot go wrong with it at all because the lips feel super beautiful, plumped up, glossy, shiny, and anytime I can put these on, especially these on, because whenever I'm putting on my mask, I put on these lipsticks so that my lips feel gorgeous. It gets the nice treatment, moisture treatment, and of course, when I get a chance to take my mask off at home, I just love to feel it on my lips all the time. So those are my Visel roundup. It's a journey. I just love to collect these and I want to keep collecting them. Let me know, what did you pick up from the Visel lipsticks? Share your favorite shade. If you ask me, my favorite shade is shade number 19. I think it's not going to change anytime soon. So look at the swatches one more time, my friends. And anytime you want to pick a lipstick or you want to treat yourself, just check the range and you will find your shade. So this is Soma saying bye to you. I want you to stay connected with me, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family because that's the best compliment to my channel. And yeah, keep spreading the joy of makeup and keep enjoying luxurious, beautiful feeling lipsticks. See you.